The last video, we actually talked about the first preliminary assignment. Now we want to go into, again, we want to go back to armorbearerphysics.com/PHY120. That's exactly where we are now. And let's go ahead and go back into Gamma Physics. Under Gamma Physics, we want to go back to Level 2, Get Geared Up. Okay. And this time we want to look at Stage 2. All right, we want to copy the folder from Dropbox. And so it says copy a folder from Dropbox. Let's just look at that assignment. So this folder basically has all of the assets that you're going to need for this course. And when I say assets like experimental or videos that you're going to use in experiments, Microsoft Excel, templates, things like that, notes, class notes, and so stuff like that. So let's look at this. It says basically make sure that you have signed in for Dropbox. So we downloaded that in the last application. And now make sure you're signed into Dropbox on your iPad, okay? Or you signed up for Dropbox as the first one, signed in for Dropbox on your iPad. And we want to copy the folder, this following folder. It has a hyperlink here to Dropbox. So all we have to do is select on that. Once you select on this folder, now my Dropbox is just going to open up, but this is what yours should do as well, okay? Well, actually it did not. So what I can do is I can download this if this opens up, but typically a pop-up comes up. Just going to go ahead and say download. So I'm clicking on this button and I'm going to say download and I'm going to save it to my Dropbox. So when I try to save this to my Dropbox, you see that they want me to log on. I thought I was already logged on, but they want me to log on to my Dropbox. So you guys should be logged on already. Once you, let me see, I'll just hit log in. Okay. So I can get out of that. I can just say no thanks and continue to download. All right, so it should have downloaded to my folder, but you guys are going to see something a little bit different. What's going to happen is this. I can say open an app. This is probably what should have taken place. So I did the download thing. Now that works on the desktop, but let's open it in app. This is going to be more instructive. So open in Dropbox, say open. Okay, so when I do that, you'll see that it's just going to load up in my particular application. It would be more instructive if I was logged into a different account, which I probably will do in a different kind of case. But what's going to happen, you're going to see these 3 dots come up. You're going to see a pop-up here. There are going to be 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner. You select on those 3 dots. Once you select on those 3 dots, you're going to see Save to My Dropbox. Just go ahead and save it to your Dropbox. And then once you save it to your Dropbox, you want to rename this folder. Okay? You'll notice that I actually already renamed it, but I can change, or I can go here and I can select on folder settings. You don't have to do that. But you'll notice that I've already renamed my folder to physics_brass_Eric. So make sure you do that. Okay? I want you to take a snapshot of this particular folder right now. So you should have Physics Brass Eric. I'm going to take a snapshot. And you know that that snapshot is going to be located inside of your photos. So if I go to photos, again, you guys will see it there. And instead of going to photos, I'll just go back to Dropbox. I'm going to go to preliminary assignments here. So let me just back up one time. You see this? It says preliminary assignments. All I want you to do is go to preliminary assignments and then select on document organization. This is what this is about. And I want you to select on the 3 dots here. and then I want you to select on upload a file. So I'm going to select on photos here. And once I select on photos, you'll see I have this last photo down here at the bottom. And I'm going to upload that photo to that particular folder. And once it's uploaded, I can just select on it and you'll see that I have my snapshot. I want to see that you guys have this structure. Once you have this structure, I know you have the necessary resources to complete the experiments. Okay, so what are we going to do now? Well, I don't need the entire folder. I just need, well, I don't need preliminary assignments. I just need the number 1 document organization. So I'm going to select on this drop down and I'm going to say send link. Once I say send link, I am going to copy link. And once I copy link, you will see I will go back to assignment here. Let me get rid of Dropbox here. I'm going to go back to this assignment and I'm just going to go to edit submission. Yours should say add submission or something along those lines. And I am going to go into my online text box. I'm going to get rid of assignment here. That was from a preliminary thing. You're not going to have that, okay? And I'm just going to type in assignment. So you'll see that assignment might come up for you now. I'm just going to select on that. And I'm going to double tap on assignment. See how I double tapped on assignment? Now notice that the link is not available. I can't really see it. If I go up, I can't see it. If I come down, I can't see it. So what am I going to do? Well, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go right before assignment, hit return a couple of times. This is why I did it the last time. And then I'm going to select on assignment, just select. And now I have this link available to me. Select on the link. You guys are going to see create link. I can just pull this up. I'm going to tap inside of this text input box. Paste it. Select on open in new window. Then I'm going to create link. Okay. You guys can, if you want to, just submit it like so, or you can get rid of some of that white space at the top if you like. And then you can say save changes. And of course, you'll see that I get needs grading. It'll let me know, and I'll select on this, and it'll give me the ability to grade. So you guys will see that I already have 100 there. So I'll put 99. But that's for me. All right. And this is how I can grade you guys' stuff. Of course, I can see it. I can open it with that link. And so it gives me access to your documentation. And that is it for this particular video. See you in the next one, Level 3 Knowledge Base.